Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a bloom in some colors I'm trying to match to a bedspread that I have. I want to do a big painting for my wall. So I'm just trying out the colors first. I'm going to do a bloom. This is my Glidden Premium Eggshell. All my recipes are in the description under my video for the bloom technique, and a discount code for the Sheleeart course. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel if you like this. If you want to learn the bloom, I have many videos on the bloom. Okay, so first the pillow paint goes down. Then your colors. So this is thicker than the colors. The colors should be thinner. So this is a color I've made with gray and then Van Dyke brown. So I've got some, this little piggy mermaid first. And then I'm going to put this, it's like a taupey color, so it's brown and gray mixed together. And then I have some Meaden Deep Gold. And then I have some Cerulean Blue. It's Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. And some Meaden Cerulean Blue mixed together. I'm going to use white and black cell activator. I'm going to blow with my breath. Sometimes I use a blower, a hair dryer, just depends. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh, it's a little off center, but these cells are very pretty. Let the middle come together. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I just... I think I'll do another one, and I'll leave less gold and more of the taupey color. It's more there. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. And I've hit my goal of 100,000 subscribers. So thank you everybody for subscribing. It's very exciting. Hopefully I'll get that really nice silver plaque. Oh, there you go. It's very pretty colors. I like it. Middle is still moving a bit, so I'm going to spin it again. All right, thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a great day, everyone. Well, here it is. It's all dry. Dried pretty good. Look at those pretty cells. I like this one. Very pretty. Thanks for watching.